Yellow leaves? Stunted shoots? If your indoor plants look tired, they're not being dramatic. They're telling you they're nitrogen deficient. Nitrogen is the backbone of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is photosynthesis. No nitrogen, no green. Period. And in the next 5 minutes, I'll share 2 laboratory-verified, absolutely free formulas that restore nitrogen to potting soil and bring houseplants roaring back to life. Every study and data point I cite is linked in the video description. Check the sources after you watch. Formula Grass Clipping Elixir. 1. Collect fresh green clippings. Half a lawnmower bag, about 5 kilos. The richer the green, the higher the nitrogen. 2. Pack and fill. Compress clippings into a 25-liter, 6-gallon, food-grade bucket. Fill to the brim with dechlorinated tap water. Seal the lid. 3. Steep and ferment 3 to 5 days at room temperature. Microbes convert proteins into plant-ready ammonium and nitrate. Bubbles in a deep green tint mean the chemistry is working. 4. Strain and dilute. Remove every fiber. Dilute 1 liter of concentrate with 9 liters of water. Stronger than that will scorch container roots. 5. Apply water only the soil surface. Keep foliage dry. Expect richer pigment in 5 to 7 days. Document your results for proof. Formula 2. Tea bag tonic. 4 to 6 black or green tea bags, still packed with nitrogen plus pH buffering tannins. 2. Steep overnight. Submerge in 1 liter of water for 12 hours. Cover the jar to block light. 3. Remove and drench discard bags, then saturate the potting mix. Ideal between grass tea treatments or when clippings aren't available. Application protocol. March-September, active growth. Dose either formula every 2 to 3 weeks. October-February, low light. Reduce to once a month or pause. You don't want nutrient excess while metabolism is slow. Always ensure good drainage. Roots need oxygen as much as nitrogen. If this protocol revives your plants, smash like, subscribe for data-driven plant care, and share your before and after photos.